this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, when I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to your Tapo Link C210 security camera. So the camera should be connected. You see green is on, everything is working fine, but I want to remove and do a hard factory reset. We have to hold this one as this. It should be connected to the power source and put a pressure soft as this at the bottom. Here we go, this part. Here you can see there is a button. This button you have to hold. You have to press this one with the finger, with the screwdriver, whatever you can do. So I'm holding very close and putting a pressure. Let's see, I hold this one as this. Let's see, it will tell me the light is blinking a little bit more.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera.
Reset is successful. The red light is here, so the camera is done. The reset has done. So this is the way you can reset your Tapo Link C210 security camera. Now the green and red light, you have to set up this one as you have done before. If you don't know how to do that, check the video description for doing all those things. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.